Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work with some random numbers. So first of all, import this module in called random. So we're going to create a first subroutine here called random numbers. I'm going to create a variable called randNum. I'm going to assign it to random.randInt or rand integer. I'm going to generate a random number between 1 and 50. Okay, and we're going to print, let's just make this a little bit bigger for you. Print here random number, and I'm going to format the string. Dot format, this is one way to format the string, randNum. So I'll be using the other method to format the string as well, so just to show you when I do the next random number example. So we call the subroutine like this, random numbers, and we run it. Random number is 6. Random number is 21, so you get the picture. Okay, let's do our next example. So I'm going to call this random choice. So we're going to do a random choice here. I'm going to create a list called names. I'm going to put some names in it. Dave, Bill, Joe. I'm going to create a variable called results. I'm going to assign it to random dot choice, and then I'm going to pass it an argument name, so it's going to pick a random name from there, and we're going to print random name. I'm going to do here dot format result. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick a random name from here. Let's run it. Random name is Bill. Okay, let's run it again. Random name is Joe, so there you go. Right, the next example we're going to do is we're going to shuffle some numbers. So I'm going to call this shuffle numbers. Again, I'm going to create a list called numbers and assign it to, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Random dot shuffle numbers. And then I'm going to format the string in a different way this time. And this is the more popular way of formatting a string these days. This is the more modern way. So numbers. Right, so this is just going to rename that to shuffle numbers. Okay, we're just going to run this. So we've shuffled the numbers there. Let's try it again. And there we go. We've shuffled the numbers. Okay, so we're going to do the next one, which is going to be random float. And we're going to generate some random floating numbers here. Let's just knock all that out. All that random float. There we go. Something wrong there. Okay, let's just carry on with this. So random float. So I'm going to create a variable called random I'm going to call it floats. Random floats. I'm going to assign it to random dot random. Okay, and we're going to print a random floating number. It's going to be random number. It's going to be random floats. Okay, we're just going to call it random float there. Okay, let's save it. Let's run it. So that's generated a random floating number. Let's generate another one. Okay, and another one. Okay, generating random floating numbers. Let's do the final one here, which is random sample, I think I'm going to do. Okay, so that's random sample. So we're going to do letters. Create a list. Let's say A, B, C, D, E. So we're going to create a variable here called random sample. I'm going to assign it to random dot sample. This is going to be letters. And we're going to do 2 letters. Okay, so we're going to do 2 letters, and then all we have to do is print rand sample. There we go. Let's save that. Let's run it. So we've got random sample of 2 letters there. Let's do it again. Okay, let's just change this here. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 3. Random sample of 3 letters. There you go. 3 letters, and we could do it with 4 letters or 1 letter. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.